wonderful event, and now here we are.
Department of Art and Culture, Government of Meghalaya will recognize 6 more villages as arts and craft villages of the state. This is done as part of the Tri-Hills Ensemble 2 festival, aiming to promote the industrious heritage of the 3 vibrant tribes, Khasis, Jaintias and Garos, showcasing the rich tribal heritage, unique arts and crafts, music, cuisine, folk dance and theatrical shows. With the motto, rooted in nature and connected to culture, Commissioner and Secretary Arts and Culture F.R. Kharkongor said this festival is a means to connect with the past. This is done as part of the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas, Tribal Pride, and Hamara Sankalp Vikshit Bharat Yatra Week will be celebrated in the state from November 15th.
And these kind of benefits and this kind of visibility, we hope that the younger generation in those villages also they hold on to those to that heritage, and that it gets amplified and expanded, because many a time what the danger is that the older generation, once they pass away, then the next generation may not be too interested. They come and migrate to the cities and they forget those priceless legacies. So by taking up these kind of activities, we hope that it will contribute towards the younger generation of those villages to appreciate more deeply all the skills and the priceless heritage of their forefathers and of their parents, and that they continue and that they pass on the torch to the next generation as well.
Minister in charge of Cooperation Department